to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just...
Hello, welcome to Sab's Glam Beauty, you guys. I am so happy to be sharing this recipe with y'all because it has been treating me with love, okay? So I decided today I will be making some pink Himalayan salt scrubs, okay? I am in love with this product, guys. It is treating me with so much love. Like, it's so relaxing, calming. Like, if you want to have some me time, pink Himalaya salt is the way to go. Like, salts in general is the way to go. But I can't wait to share this project with you. So if you are interested and want to learn how to make your own pink Himalayan salt scrub, then please keep on watching. This is what we are working with today. I'm gonna be using some foamy bath butter from Stevensons. And in here is fine grain pink Himalayan salt. In here I have 3 different carrier oils. I have sunflower oil, I have castor oil, and I also have some grapeseed oil, but you can use any carrier oil of your choice. In here I do have 20 grams of honey. Over here I have French pink clay. I'm gonna be using the clay to color the foaming salt scrub, okay? And I also have some preservative. And I will be taking 3 milliliters of Optifine as our preservative. Just for a decoration, I'm gonna put a little bit of them on each scrub as I go, okay? I haven't made scrub in a long time, our regular traditional scrub. So be on the lookout for that. We'll be having new scrub very soon. But I just wanted to make this salt scrub because I've never made any on my channel before. So I was like, what can I do different this week? So that's why I'm doing this. So a lot of you guys have been asking me about recipe for some of my product, and I normally just do my product like I bought them. I don't make a recipe, I just remember the quantity that I want. Sometimes I go overboard, okay? But this video will be a little different because I will be putting down the recipe just so you can have a clear idea on how much I use in this project. Just in case if you want to recreate, you will know exactly how much I use. Okay, so right now I'm just cutting up the salt because I'm about to use my hand mixer and mix it, like blend it very well. So that's why I'm chopping it on itty bitty pieces. If you don't know by now that I love playing with soap, then I don't know if you already know this channel because I love to play with soap. And I got a surprise video for y'all as well because I finally went ahead on my birthday and I made my first cold processed soap. So watch out for that because it's coming soon, okay? So I'm just using my hand mixer to mix it up a little bit and see and start the process, okay? Guys, I've never worked with this base before. I believe it's kind of new to me, but I know everybody raves about this base. and they said nothing but good things. So I'm still whipping. The next product I will be adding in here will be my carrier oil, okay? I'm gonna pour it like so. My hands are slippery. Yeah, it's really, really slippery. Next product I'll be adding here will be some honey, okay? Scrape, scrape. Okay, let's mix. Before I do, I'll give it a stir first. I don't want the oil to splash around, so I'm just gonna be mixing it a little bit before blending it. Okay. Some liquid soap base. Don't this look like food now? And I'll use my spatula to fully incorporate it. I'm not gonna be using the mixer for now. This is how you want it, okay? Now with this, I'm gonna be adding my French clay, my pink French clay in it, like so. So like this, like sometimes I do make my body polish, my foamy polish, and I just leave it like this. I don't even put sugar in it, I don't put salt in it, I just leave it like this. Like this is a very, very nice body polish. You just put it on and just wait for a little bit and just relax. Okay, so this is how my base supposed to look before I add my salt, okay? Now this is my salt. I'm gonna add it here slowly, okay? Ooh, I wasn't slow at all. Okay, salt is in there already. Just time to mix. Guys, my arms hurt. I don't know why I didn't use my stand mixer, but it hurts. Can you guys see the texture of this salt? I am gonna be adding half of cup of the salt. So I'm gonna be adding this much, okay? Okay. Okay, like it's all over the house. I should have used another bowl instead. But I started using this because I just wanted to change a little bit. So, yep. Now, this is what you want, okay? Like so, you see? It's still on there. You want your salt straw to always be like this, not running. You don't want it running at all, okay? See? It's not even, I'm shaking it. I have to put extra strength. See? Okay, now I have my piping bag right here. I have the cut here, like so. And I'll be cutting it right here. And I'm gonna just put it in the jar. This is a 6-ounce jar. And I'm gonna just go like so, okay? Like, uh-oh. All right. You guys, I'm a mess when it comes to the piping thing. I am a mess, okay? Don't look bad. It just don't look as good as I would want it to. So let's tap it down and all of that. But it's not bad. It looked like my turmeric one that I did and all of that. Put this to the side. Let me put it here and see if it will still move around, okay? Come closer. Go like so. Okay, it's still doing the same thing. Go like that. Okay. I think that this is the prettiest one among all of them. I am so mad at myself because I can never get this right. I think amongst the whole group, this is the prettiest. Can you believe that this is my prettiest scrub? This is crazy. So I'm gonna be using this whole grain pink Himalayan salt for decoration. I'm just gonna be putting a little bit of him on it like so. So guys, this is our finished product. I told you my piping skill is not the best. Pardon me, I'm still working on it. But for the most part, can you see how beautiful this is? This pink salt look on the top, like it gives it extra, okay? I love it. Like, I tried though, I tried. Like, but that's all I have for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all of you for supporting my channel, for supporting my dreams. God bless you, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your hair